A GoPro Hero 12 Black. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off or enable disable the voice control. So very simple. So turn it on, slide down, and that little guy right there, if you want it off, says voice control off. You want to turn it on, voice control is on. Now also you may want to go into the preferences of voice control as well. So slide over, we're going to go to preferences, go down to voice control. And then here, again, it's on. When you toggle that icon, this will automatically turn on. Make sure the language that you're speaking into it is here. So, oops. So you can change the language, but mine's on English here. And then you have your commands. So if you tap on that right there, you can see all the commands. Okay? The last one is GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. There we go. All right.